Yeah, it's Clover 447, and right now we're on the plane, and I'm going to videotape us lifting off. Oh yeah, this is Riley, the green earth puppy. Okay, so we're going a little fast, but we're not going that fast. I tried making another video earlier, but like it's just taking too long, and my video was getting too long, so I have to delete it. But anyway, we're just gonna take off, and I'm in with my mom and good Sid, my sister, who is now Sydney Annabelle, or Sid Annabelle. Yeah, she's funny, and I get to sit next to her. All right, so just don't pay attention to the background noise. Just pay attention to what you're seeing, and while I'm talking, listen to me talk. Okay, it looks like we're going really fast. Look how fast we're going. Holy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think we're taking off. Oh my god. Woohoo! Oh my god. Whoa. We're flying off the ground. Oh, the ground. Come back. Oh no. Whoa. That's awesome. I got to videotape my first plane takeoff. Well, my Webkinz first. Whoa, look at all the little cars. That is so cool. Sorry, the thing isn't